Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to make a vitamin C toner using orange peel. So guys, I want to talk about amazing benefits of using a vitamin C toner made from orange peels. First off, vitamin C is powerful antioxidant that help to protect our skin from damage-free radicals. It's also essential for collagen productions, which help to keep our skin looking firm and youthful. Using a toner made from orange peel is a great way to incorporate vitamin C into your skincare routine. Orange peel are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that are great for the skin. One of the main benefits of using an orange peel toner is that it helps to brighten and even out your skin tone. Vitamin C has been shown to reduce the appreciations of dark spots and hyperpigmentations, making your skin look more radiant and glowing. Another benefits of using an orange peel toner is that it helps to reduce inflammations and redness in the skin. This is especially great for those with acne prone skin, as it can help to calm down any breakouts and prevent future one from forming. Lastly, using an orange peel toner can help to hydrate and nourishing your skin. The nutritious oil found in orange peel make help to moisture the skin without leaving it peeling greasy or oily. Overall, incorporating an orange peel toner into your skincare routine can have amazing benefits for your skin. It's easy to make it home and is a natural and affordable alternative to store bought toner. Give it a try and let me know what you think. So guys, I am going to show you how to make a vitamin C toner using orange peel. First you will need to gather some fresh orange peel. Make sure they are washed thoroughly and free of any dirt and debris. Next, chop and the peels into small pieces and place them in a jar or pot. Pour it some distilled water until the peels are fully covered. Next, place the orange peel in a pan with enough water to cover them, bringing the water to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer to about 15 minutes. This will help to soften and peels and release their oils. Strain the orange peels and let them cool. And transfer the liquid into a spray bottle. Now you have your own homemade vitamin C toner. Not only it is super easy to make, but it also great your brightening and evening out your skin tone. Just squeeze it onto your face after cleansing and before moisturizing. You can also toner it in the fridge for a refreshing and cooling effect. So guys, now we can start making our cream. Take a cooled orange peel and put them in a blender. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video on skincare tips and tricks. I appreciate your support and I hope that you have found my content helpful. As also who has struggled with the skin issues in the past, I know how frustrating it can be to try and find product that actually work. That's why I am passionate about sharing my knowledgeable and experience with all of you. When it comes to skincare, there are a few keys things that I always keep in mind. First and foremost, it's important to know your skin type so that you can choose products that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether you have oily, dry, and combination skin, there are plenty of options out there that can help you achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. Another thing to keep in mind is consistency. It's not enough to just use a product once or twice and accept a result, and you need to be consistency with your routine in order to see real improvement over time. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment a little. Trying out new product and techniques can be a fun way to discover what works best for you and your skin. So once again, thank you for turning in and supporting my channel. I hope that my tips and tricks have been helpful for you, and that you continue to prioritize self-care and healthy skin habits. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.